Bugatti. Yep, we're doing a little bug A-post repair, and you know, it is what it is what it is, but it's just metal. You cut it out, you weld new metal in. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Carl's grumbling the whole time because he has to use my ghetto fabulous equipment, but you know, it gets the job done. It makes you appreciate your tools at home too.
Yeah. It makes me appreciate everything at home.
Oh really? What do you mean? You haven't tried everything I'm working with yet. All right.
Okay.
Give me a couple tacks on the. I want to see how nice it's gonna feel now compared to the way it was before.
Okay, I'm gonna wire. I'm gonna do
Clean that really good because that way we get the good.
I'm gonna
Get some good penny there.
a power wire wheel.